Alright, time to install some sheet metal. So what we're doing here is we are tying ropes around that sheet metal. We're coming about 5 to 8 feet in, depending on the size house, from the edge of the sheet metal, and we're going around that sheet metal and securing that with a knot. Now what we're going to do is make sure that that knot is good and secure so that sheet metal doesn't come crashing down on anybody. We've got our boards up against the house, and what this does is this protects the house while that sheet metal is being pulled up, so we don't have any scratches or dings. Now I can say here you want to use clear, concise, loud communication lifting up these sheets. There they are, lifting up. And now we have a left person and a right person. That way you can say left up or right up if that sheet starts to get a little bit off angle. Alright, now take your time and care in doing this, supporting that. Once it starts to get out of place, have your ladders ready and close. Now as you get higher with the sheet metal and you can put that ladder up against the sheet metal, you're just going to have a couple people taking the sheet metal up on top of the ladders so you don't have to take your ladders up and down. Alright, here we are. We're going to get this thing into the final position. Now once this gets in position, you're going to take 2 clamps and you're going to clamp front and back on the lap as to make sure that you got a good tight seal. And then once you have that clamp, you're going to put in your outside edge lap screws. Alright, now once you have those outside edge lap screws in, we're then going to be placing the ladder and going up on the ladder and placing 1 center screw in the top of that sheet metal. What this does, you know that your laps are good, the sheet metal is properly where it's supposed to be, and that it's not going to go anywhere. Now you're going to untie your ropes, remove your ropes, and remember, don't forget to send them back down to the ground because we're going to put another sheet up after this. Alright, onwards and upwards to the next sheet.